In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Jira password. Now, we all know how crucial it is to maintain the security of our accounts, and changing your password regularly is a fundamental part of that. Whether you're doing this as a routine security measure or in response to a specific incident, the process is straightforward and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Jira. You can easily access your account by going to the Your Work tab, which is your personal workspace within Jira. This is where you'll manage most of your tasks and projects, so it's quite a familiar place for regular users. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. In the top right corner, you should see your profile icon. This might be a small circle with your initials, or perhaps your profile picture if you've uploaded one. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to various personal settings and options, so it's handy to familiarize yourself with it. One of the options you will see is Manage Account. Go ahead and click on that option. This will take you to a different page dedicated to managing various aspects of your account. Once you arrive on your account management page, look for the Security tab. Security settings are a critical component of your Jira account management. This section allows you to manage things like passwords and two-factor authentication if you have that set up. By clicking on Security, you'll be taken to the portion of the site where you can change your password. Now, at this point, you'll need to type in your current password. This step is essential because it verifies that you are indeed the person seeking to make these changes. It's a protective measure to prevent unauthorized access, so go ahead and enter your current password in the provided field. If you've forgotten your password, you might need to go through a recovery process, which usually involves receiving a code via email or SMS, so bear this in mind. Next, it's time to decide on your new password. When choosing a new password, it's important to adhere to best security practices. That usually means a combination of lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This makes it much harder for anyone to guess or crack your password. Once you've decided on a secure password that you can remember, type it into the field for the new password. After you've done that, look beneath the new password field, and you'll likely see a suggestion to retype your new password. This is a common security measure to ensure that you've typed the password correctly, as passwords are often masked with dots or asterisks for privacy reasons. Carefully re-enter the new password, making sure that both entries match perfectly. With your new password confirmed, you're ready to complete the process. Look for the Save Changes button. This button is usually marked prominently, so you shouldn't have trouble finding it. Clicking this button will finalize the change of your password. Make sure all entries are correct before saving, because if there's any mismatch, the system will prompt you to rectify the issue before successfully processing the change. And there we have it, your Jira password is now updated. Remember, it's imperative to keep your new password secure. Avoid writing it down in visible places, and be wary of phishing attempts that might try to trick you into revealing it. Regularly updating your passwords across all your accounts can significantly enhance your online security, so make a habit out of it. Changing your password, as you can see, is a pretty quick and simple procedure, but its importance cannot be overstated. Thank you for staying with me through this tutorial. If you found this helpful, feel free to explore more of our content to help you enhance your productivity and security across various platforms. Until next time, stay safe and secure online.